Welcome to LogiNest, your go to channel for learning to code in a simple, practical, and hands on way. In today's video, we are taking our first big step into the world of web development with HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. We will cover the basic structure of an HTML document and understand essential tags like headings, paragraphs, and line break. And by the end, you will build a simple project and take a fun little quiz to test your knowledge. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's start with the basics. And the HTML is a standard language used to create web pages. It's not a programming language. It doesn't do calculations or logic. It's a markup language, which means it's used to describe the structure of web content. And HTML is made up of tags, and each tag gives meaning or structure to the content inside it. Now let's look at the skeleton of every HTML page. This structure is something you will use in almost every project. Let's break this down. The first is doctype HTML. This tells the browser that you are using HTML5, which is the latest version. The second is an HTML tag. This is a root tag. Everything in your web page lives inside it. The head. This section holds metadata, data about the web page. It's not shown on the screen. It includes the title, links to style sheets, and other settings. Title. The text inside this tag appear on the browser tab. Body. This is where all the visible elements like headings, paragraphs, and images, buttons, and links will go. Now let's talk about headings. Headings in HTML go from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest and the most important heading, and H6 is the smallest. You should use them properly. Don't just use H1 everywhere because it looks big. Use heading to organize your content properly. Next up is paragraphs and line breaks. To create a paragraph, use a p tag. Like this. And if you want to break a line without starting a new paragraph, use a br tag. It's a self-closing tag, meaning it doesn't need a closing tag. For example, like this. Okay, so use BR for small line breaks. Don't use it again and again for your layout. That's what CSS is for. Now let's put everything together with a mini project. Create a basic HTML file named myhobby.html and include the standard HTML document structure and a title tag that names your page and a H1 tag with your name or a website title, a H2 tag for a topic like my hobby, a paragraph P tag describing your hobby in 2 to 3 lines. Use a BR tag inside the paragraph to break a line. Here's an example you can follow. Save this file, open it in your browser, and admire your very first web page. Now it's time for quick quiz to see what you have learned. Ready? Okay. The first question is, which HTML tag holds all the visible content on the page? The second question is, Which heading tag is the most important? The third question is which tag should you use to create a line break inside a paragraph? Type your answer in the comment section. I will pin the correct answer. Congratulations! Today you have learned how to write a basic HTML page, how to use heading tags from H1 to H6, how to create paragraph with P and P tag, and how to insert line break using BR tag. If this video helped you, so don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson from LogiNest. Thanks for watching and as always, happy coding.